Where's Jimmy Vercellino here, United States Marine Corps veteran and your very own highly motivated, trusted advisor specializing in VA loans with Goldwater Bank Mortgage Division. I'm fired up today, you guys. I'm fired up because I get to talk to you about a question that really kind of, I don't know, it irked me a little bit when I heard somebody say this. And they asked this question to a particular financial guru, and they said this: should the veteran use the VA loan when they get ready to qualify for a mortgage? And you want to know what that financial guru or expert said? I'm going to tell you in just a second. But before I do, would you consider showing your love by clicking like on this video, subscribing to this channel, and lastly, commenting down below? You'd be surprised, but those 3 simple steps help you and I to educate more veterans across this great nation. And that is exactly the mission of this channel, to provide and assist all veterans and active duty service members with all of their VA home financing needs. Roger that? All right, let's get started. So they talked about, again, this financial expert said to the particular caller who happened to be a veteran, no, you shouldn't use a VA loan. And the reason why is because the VA loan is perhaps more expensive and requires a higher interest rate. Let me tell you something. That is just nonsense. It's absurd to state or make that claim, because in reality, the VA loan is one of the most competitive loans in the marketplace today, that a veteran can move into a home with little to no money down and not have any private mortgage insurance. So let's take a look at this really quick. The VA loan is a 30-year fixed rate loan, okay? So the loan is fixed for 30 years. You as the veteran also have the option to do a 25-year, a 20-year, a 15-year, right? So it's not just a one size fits all. You can customize or custom fit your VA loan to your individual needs, okay? The second part that's important to understand about our VA home loan benefits veterans is that it does not require private mortgage insurance. Why is that so important? Private mortgage insurance. Well, in this particular video that I watched, the financial guru said to the veteran, well, you'd rather take on a conventional loan and not put the 20% down. Well, guess what happens? If you take a conventional loan or an FHA loan, you are going to pay PMI, private mortgage insurance. And if you're not familiar with that term, PMI, it basically means that you would be paying insurance on yourself every single month to the investor, and basically that would make them whole in the event that you were to foreclose on your loan. So in other words, you guys, it's a waste of money. You don't need to pay it. You shouldn't be paying it. In fact, I've got a little example for you. If a veteran took a $400,000 loan and they put down 5%, you want to know how much the private mortgage insurance would be, assuming the veteran had a 780 credit score? It'd be about $93 a month that they would be paying. Well, guess what? With the VA loan, the veteran is not going to have to pay that. And as a matter of fact, the mortgage insurance that's required on a conventional loan, for example, it doesn't go away until you reach 78% of the actual loan to value. And at that point, it'll cancel. So you would be required to pay this additional $93 for at least 10 years in this particular example. Now, you could refinance out of it. That would cost you more money, right? So what am I saying? Once again, the VA loan doesn't have any private mortgage insurance. But Jimmy, guess what? The VA loan does have a funding fee. Yes, that is true. Yes, it is true. The VA loan does have a funding fee, but guess what? There are ways that we as veterans, or strategies that we can use to get that VA funding fee lower for you. For example, if the veteran put down 5%, the VA funding fee goes down. If they put down 10%, the VA funding fee goes down even lower, making, once again, the VA loan just that much more competitive. I'm gonna keep it real with you. The only time that I don't recommend a VA loan is when the veteran is putting down 100%. In other words, if they're paying cash for the VA, or I should say paying cash for the home, of course I'm not going to recommend a VA loan, but I always want our veterans to simply consider using a VA loan. look at a VA loan, stack it up against a conventional, and see who comes out on top. So if you're a veteran watching this channel and you've been told by a mortgage lender that you should consider an FHA loan or a conventional loan, I want you to roger up with me or a member of my team so that way we can ensure that you have all of the questions and answers to your specific VA loan scenario. My name is Jimmy Vercellino, and if I could be of service or value to you, feel free to roger up with me direct at 602-908-5849, or you can go to my website at VALoansForVets.com. That's VALoansForVets.com. Hey, thank you, and may God bless you for your service to our great country. Semper Fi.